Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're exploring something that promises precision and staying power for your eyes, the Blinc Micropoint Eyeliner Pen. This is a liquid eyeliner pen with an ultra-precise felt tip, designed to deliver a no-skip, highly pigmented line that's long-wearing, waterproof, and of course, vegan and cruelty-free. Right off the bat, the packaging is sleek and minimalistic, easy to store in any makeup bag. The pen contains 0.5 milliliters of product, which is small but typical for high pigment eyeliners. Its cream-based formula dries down to a matte finish, giving a bold and defined look without any shine. Being gluten-free and cruelty-free is a nice bonus for those of us conscious about clean beauty standards. When I tested it, the felt tip felt remarkably precise. Drawing both thin and sharp winged lines was surprisingly effortless, even for quick morning applications. The ink flows smoothly without skipping, which is a game changer for anyone tired of patchy liquid liners. I also wore it during a busy day, and it really held up. No smudging, no fading, even during a bit of midday humidity. Removal was straightforward with a standard makeup remover, so it doesn't tug aggressively at the delicate eye area. One of the standout points is its precision. Whether you want subtle definition or a dramatic cat eye, this liner lets you control the line thickness easily. The waterproof formula means it can withstand sweat or a few happy tears, making it reliable for long events or a day out. Of course, no product is perfect. The small size might feel a bit limiting if you use eyeliner daily or for practice. Also, because it's so pigmented, it can stain if applied too heavily or not fully dried before blinking. But those are minor trade-offs compared to the overall performance. Value-wise, it sits at a mid-range price point. Considering the precision, long wear, and vegan formulation, I think it's justified, especially if you're someone who values a reliable eyeliner that won't let you down. In comparison to other liquid liners, it holds up really well against higher-end brands, offering similar staying power and precision without an exorbitant price tag. For budget-friendly alternatives, some drugstore liners offer good pigmentation, but they often lack the combination of ultra-precision and waterproof endurance that Blinc delivers. The build quality of the pen is solid. The felt tip retains its shape even after multiple uses, and the overall construction feels durable enough to travel with. No issues with leakage or cap design, so it's convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. If you're wondering about customer support, Blinc generally has a strong reputation for responsiveness, but I haven't personally needed to contact them. No recent updates or reformulations are mentioned, so what you get now is the same consistent formula. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. For anyone who wants a high-performing, vegan, and waterproof eyeliner that makes creating precise lines effortless. It's perfect for both makeup enthusiasts and those who need a reliable daily liner. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried the Blinc Micropoint Eyeliner, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. The link to purchase is in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.